In this video, we will go over where to access all of the features in your Nextiva vFax portal. After you log in, you will be taken to the home screen. At the top of your screen is your dashboard. The search feature is where you can view faxes you've sent and received. To send a new fax, click Send a Fax. The fax settings section is where you can update information and notifications associated with sending and receiving faxes. The Update Profile section is where you can adjust user information associated with your account, such as your primary email address. Check Billing is where you will find information on how many pages you have sent and received so far for the month. Also on this page, you will find general account information such as your fax number, activity summary, and a snapshot of faxes sent and received. The red button at the top of the screen will refresh your page. This is important if you are waiting to receive a fax. The buttons at the top of the screen all correspond to buttons located on the dashboard. From any page, you can click the dashboard button to return to your account home page.